SkyTow. Lower side dependency. Overcome site limits. Choose flexibly. Any small flat area, ready for takeoff. No runway, no slope needed. Works on lawns, plazas, or open fields. No long towpath required. Steady and safe climb. Eliminates the need for hundreds of meters of straight-line taxiway clearance. No fixed tow installation needed. Self-contained, no anchors or winch base. Easily transportable, reusable across sites. Low clearance flight path. No 100-meter front clearance zone required. Only obstacle-free space above the launch zone. Fast vertical climb. No long ascent airspace needed.